back here on the GTO. And we're going to replace this prop valve for the one that goes up under the master, because that header's pretty much going to kill that. So we're going to redo that. We've got all the components to do so. So now I just get to have fun fighting this bastard out.
So we're missing this cable.
Line to the rear is off. Which one? The one to the right rear?
The left and right rear.
Gotcha. Oh, the one that ties them together?
Yeah. I'm trying to find that.
I got one line off. It's probably the hardest one, which was the one to the rear. Alright, now to fight the rest of this shit off. That's 2. 3 more to go. Alright, so we're kind of figuring out how we're going to do our parking brake cables. Because, you know, we don't really have OE mounting anymore.
It's actually supposed to come off of this right here. Or maybe,
No,
this is different, I guess.
yeah, it would be the factory trans cross member. But we have a fabbed cross member now.
Might have to try to come off of there.
There to there. It's really close to that yoke.
That's what I was saying. That's why I think it might have to go down below the exhaust.
Oh, shit. Alright, so Wick and I got really sick of dicking with the parking brake with all of our different stuff. So we're going to measure and see if we can get a Willwood electronic parking brake kit. We have the part number. We just need to check offset. Fun. All right. So Wick, are we in spec?
Yeah, I think we're right there. That says
2.75.
2.76, but I moved a little bit when I came up. Get it tight here.
Close enough.
Yeah. So I'd say 2.75 is good.
Nice. Well, that's promising.
God, you know, to pull that thing off, we're gonna have to pull the axle.
No, we don't. We can gut that shit. It's just, they're just brake drums. They're just brake shoes. Just pop
Okay,
the
there's
thing.
not another bracket on the inside?
Yeah, I'm glad. I don't want to like
No, that would suck. Then we'd be fucking changing out
draining
the
the
diff
fluid
again.
again.
I
Yeah,
don't feel like that either.
yeah. Yeah, well,
Well, should we just take them off while we're here?
I was just gonna say, while we have it apart, why don't we just
Yeah, let's just take this one
do
off.
it and be done with it?
Yeah,
Then we can go to the other side and knock that out if we're really frisky.
yeah. And then we can get rid of this shit.
Get it out of our hair. And
Yeah,
that's gonna be cool.
yeah.
I'm excited for that. All right, let's do it.
The way this goes, it's like, I think, because it wasn't really all that tight, it's almost like this may have pushed down on that pin and kept it from
Moving.
moving. This doesn't seem terribly cool. It's kind of a weird, that whole mechanism there is strange, but then, now there's nothing in there. So I take my paper clip to try to push that pin. Oh, as hard as I push, I can't move that bitch.
That's
Seems kind of to defeat the purpose.
of a proportioning valve, yeah. That's cute.
Yeah.
Junk from the factory.
Big hunk of brass that's trash.
Cute.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of a blessing in disguise that we're relocating this anyway.
Yeah, we'd have been taking it off. It's in line tubes too, I bet. It says INO on it.
Oh yeah, that's them.
It's surprising. They usually are pretty good.
Or is that the inlet? No,
No.
that's way
No.
down at the bottom. Yeah, that would have been the inlet. Yeah, it's definitely inline tube. That's where all your shit came from.
Yeah, that's where this one came from too, right?
Yeah, maybe we should...
Yeah, it's completely different. Look at the massive size of this mofo.
That one in your hand, the new one, that's...
Plus it's got the reset on it.
That's the biggie that goes on, you know...
So you can look right there and go, oh, it's fine.
Yeah, it's working. Or, no, it's fucked. That's the one that... all the caddies and all the... That's like a 70s big car one. Those last forever. I've never had one of those actually go bad.
Like that attachment to the bracket deal, I guess, was just like you beat the shit out of this and hope it stays in the steel bracket. That was a good plan.
That was a piece of shit.
Yeah.
Well, now back to parking brake shit. All right, so we removed both of our proportioning valves.
Easy for you to say.
Yeah, say it, don't spray it, right? And we got the other one in, hooked up to the master. And yeah, so now we get to route our other lines.